Hey guys! So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be showing you guys this gas station back here behind us. This is actually the world's largest gas station and convenience store. Not this particular location, the one in New Braunfels. We're here in Baytown on our way back from a beach camping trip, but trust me, this one is absolutely enormous as well. So if you're from Texas, you're probably no stranger to Buc-ees. Buc-ees are known for having awesome food and barbecue, a huge selection of their own products and merch, clothes, and most importantly, the cleanest bathrooms in America. If you need to use a clean bathroom, Buc-ees is the place to stop. So enough talking, let's just go inside and check this place out.
Right when you walk into Buc-ees, you'll notice this is not your average convenience store. They have their own merch. Look at these cute hats. And the best part of Buc-ees is probably the Texas Roundup. You can get chopped brisket sandwiches. You can get pulled pork sandwiches. There's always somebody cutting up fresh brisket. It's amazing. There's a huge fudge counter as well if you've got a sweet tooth, as well as fresh cookies and kolaches. Here's just a look at some of the road trip snacks they have, from fruit to packed salami and cheeses.
Ooh, that looks delicious.
With whipped cream on top.
So here's the jerky counter. Look at all these different flavors of jerky. And it wouldn't be Texas if you couldn't get tacos. The beaver nuggets are also a road trip must-have. If you go to Buc-ees, you have to try these. Now this whole section of the store is all Buc-ees related clothing and hats, magnets, drink cups. They even have shoes that look like Vans with Buc-ees on them. This is a great gift for someone who is visiting Texas for the first time. Now this section of the store is also like Texas branded clothing. They even have a whole kids clothes and toys section. They also have candles and soaps, a lot of Texas-made brands, which is really awesome. Buc-ees is actually a great place to stop if you need to get a gift for someone. Look at all that Texas goodness. Oh hey, a cowhide rug. Casual.
Okay, I got my beaver purchase. They got some as well. We're actually all eating right now. The one thing about Buc-ees is even though they have so much food, there is actually nowhere to sit inside. So you have to take everything outside and eat it with you, but that's not a big deal because this is some of the best road food you'll ever have. Sienna agrees. Okay, so I chose to get the pulled pork sandwich. I showed you guys how they were making this. So much sauce on there. You have to get something barbecue when you come to Buc-ees, in my opinion. The giant sandwich.
Potato salad. And what's that?
Key lime pie.
I'm eating.
Kevin's eating a wrap.
Right. So we love the soup.
I got sausage and steak, which is the yummiest thing in Buc-ees.